welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how I do this look. I decided to make my very first ever graduation makeup tutorial that I did as well last year with my graduation photo. And I recreate the look that I did for that graduation day. So if you guys want to know how I did this look, just please continue watching. Okay, first of all guys, what we're gonna do is i-prep na natin ang ating skin, of course, prior to everything. Skincare, prior makeup, okay? Okay, first of all, I'm gonna use this serum from The Ordinary. It's hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. It's a hydration support. Make sure your hand is clean, guys. Ako, guys, to be honest, one of the most big event in my life is my graduation. This is your day. You've been through so much. Hindi biro ang mag-aral. After that, I'm gonna use this sunscreen from Aveeno. Ang bango nito sobra. It says protect and hydrate. Ito na yung ginagamit ko after ko maglagay ng serum in the morning. Kasi hindi lang siya pang protect, also moisturizer na rin at the same time. So I don't have to use another moisturizer on top of that sunscreen. So now, we're done with our skincare. I want to start with my eyebrow first. Hey guys, I'm back with my eyebrow done. What I'm gonna do next is my foundation. I'm using It Cosmetics CC Cream Hydrating Serum. I don't know about you guys, but graduation day for me is such a big deal. Yung iba, I don't know. Kasi iba-iba naman talaga tayo ng preference, no? Some other people, hindi nila gustong umattend ng graduation kasi they think, oh, I'm done. What's the use of that, right? But for me, napaka-special ng graduation day for me. It feels so satisfying na maramdaman mo talaga na you're finally graduated, this is it, na natapos mo din, finally, sa dami ng pinagdaanan, you finally made it, right? Tapos makikita mo yung mga classmates mo na you guys been through so much, but at the end, napagtagumpayan nyo yung mga pagsubok na yun. Make sure na i-extend nyo yung foundation from your face up to your neck. Okay, next is, I'm gonna use my concealer, of course. Walang kamatayang concealer ko. Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. Hindi ko na nga lang alam kung anong shades niya, guys. Pasensya na. Ganyan lang ang ating concealer ngayon. And of course, my eyebrow. Let's blend it in. Voila! We're done with our concealer, and this time I want to do some baking. I'm using this Airspun powder, translucent shades siya, guys. This is my favorite loose powder out there. While it's baking, let's move on to our eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this Tarte. I got this from Christmas. Well, like, not last year, 2017. My husband gave it to me as a gift, and he got it for 50% off, guys. And look at this. Wow! Ang ganda niya. Kompleto na siya. May blushes na siya, eyeshadows, mascara, which is unfortunately nabasag, kaya nakakainis. Ang ganda ng mga pigments na to, but one thing I don't like with this one is so much falling, but otherwise, maganda naman yung quality niya. And then I'm using this shade here. It's AWE, that's the shade for this one. Ito yung gagamitin for our outer part of our... And then we're gonna use this one here, guys. There. And that is in shade Tails. Kinapi ko lang yung ginawa ko sa taas, and then I also put it lower part ng eyelid ko, And yeah, and then I also put my eyeliner. Now, I think ang ating baking is all done. Yung nandito sa package ito is, ito talaga siyang original na iyan. Mostly, ang gagamitin natin ngayon, product na nanggagaling dito. So, next na gagamitin natin is this Sex Kitten. It's an eyeliner. And I'm gonna put my mascara on. I'm using this Maybelline Falsies. Maybelline Falsies Mascara Express. This is one of my favorite mascara ever since then. Bago pa ako dumating dito sa Canada, this is my favorite mascara. Ang dami ko nang trinay or something, but I always go back to this kasi ang ganda talaga ng quality niya. And the price is so affordable. Ayan! Okay na yung ating eyelashes. We're gonna use this again. And I'm gonna choose this one here. Yung matte bronzer. Wala siyang shades, guys, so I can tell what kind of shade it is. So I'm gonna use the lighter one here. And now we're gonna set our face with powder. I'm using this Rimmel translucent or natural setting powder. Now, the most important part of this makeup look is the highlighter, guys. Parang hindi ako kontento dun sa highlighter ng Tarte sa package na yun. So, we're gonna use this ColourPop Cosmetics Lunch Money Super Shock Chick highlighter. And this is the bomb. I super love this one. Highlight your brow bone, your cheekbone, your nose bridge. Now I'm putting liquid matte lipstick from Tarte. It's a lip paint in shade. Doesn't says, but I like it. I really love this one because it's very natural looking and it's very neutral. Super matte to, guys, so if you have dry lip, make sure to moisturize it first before using this one, okay? Okay, we're almost done, guys. Nalagay na natin lahat. So last but not the least, the most important thing is our setting spray. Because this one will help our makeup to melt down a little. And especially kung gusto niyo ng medyo dewy or something, this one will really help our makeup to be more like natural looking at the end. Of course, I'm using this Dewy Finish by NYX. This is one of my favorite. It really helps our makeup to be more long-lasting, especially kung after graduation you will do a party. So guys, ito na ating final look for our graduation makeup tutorial. I really love it. Sobrang natural looking lang niya and ang ganda niya sa camera, guys. And I prefer my hair to be like this. Straight lang siya kasi mas bagay siya sa look na to. And make sure don't forget your earrings. And I prefer to use a pearl because I believe that pearl really complements the beauty of a woman. Congratulations again to batch 2019. You guys did it. And for those students who worked hard to finish their school, congratulations. It's not easy. So many struggles. But hey, at the end of the day, at the end of this journey, everything is all worth it. And education is very important nowadays. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much. I hope you give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.